You got me? Are you filming?
Yes.
Are you filming yet? We are live in the casa, in the cocina of the Detox dudes. Let's put the light on. Oh, we got it on already. Okay. Bone broth. We should have been filming while we were chopping, but I forgot. And then I saw this perfection, and I wanted to make sure I got it on camera. We got natural local spring water, a gallon of local spring water from 15 minutes down the road. We got onions, celery, ginger, radishes, reishi mushrooms. There's even Romania root in there. There's like 4 different pieces of Romania root, ginger, garlic, black peppercorn, a little bit of lime, a little bit of lemon, chicken back from a whole organic chicken that I just finished, and leek, salt. We're gonna put in some Italian seasoning, just a little bit of Italian seasoning, and also a little bit of cinnamon, even though I know Sydney...
Not too much.
Okay, not too much, just a little bit of cinnamon. I'll put in more later when she's not looking. And that is there any other ingredients in there that I missed?
Well, what kind of salt did you put in?
Oh, we put this is Icelandic sea salt. Oh, we put in some turmeric. Put in a little bit of turmeric and ginger.
Yum.
We'll catch you in about 6 hours when we have our first glass.
And I guess next time we'll put in the horsetail.
Oh, horsetail. Sydney's gonna drive down the block and get some fresh horsetail for us to put in the broth as well. There it is. That's I actually see it. We are arriving at Horsetail Heaven.
Horsetail.
Here on your left, you will see Horsetail Heaven. They are the happiest horsetails in all of Santa Cruz.
Wow. Let's get some. I'm in Horsetail Heaven.
Please park your vehicular. Let's get all the old big ones.
Yeah. Wow.
Sydney taught me all the old big ones have more silica.
Yeah, that's right. And also, it's better for the sustainability of the plant that we take the older ones.
Yeah.
Are you going to pick them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's start with this bad boy right here. Oop, I took the root. Don't let anyone see that. Sorry, guys. Killed one. Didn't mean to do that.
Yeah, so tell us how is the right way to do it.
You go to the bottom and you spin it, twist it, so that you don't actually pull from the roots, and you just break it and then the plant will grow again. I just killed an entire plant. It will never grow again. That's much better. And you can actually cook the tea. When you buy horsetail, you're usually only buying this leaf here. But we've been making the tea with the whole stem, and it turns red after 3 uses. After three steeps, it turns red. It's beautiful, high in silica. Look at those up there.
I actually like that picture. I want to take a picture of you.
Look at this baby here.
Nice. Wow.
Alright, now we don't have side road horsetail. Sydney didn't want side road horsetail. You see this shit I gotta deal with in this relationship?
I wanted to have horsetail that wasn't like right on the side of the road.
Unbelievable.
Thanks, honey.
Unbelievable. Oh yeah, we added some carrots too while you weren't looking.
And some chard stems.
Beautiful.
Yeah. That was worth the trip.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Beautiful. Check that out. Oh, you couldn't really see the bones in there before.
Our conclusion to this beautiful Saturday.
Cheers.
Bon appetit.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were